Hey everyone, welcome back to Obscure Cola. Today we're going to try Ume soda from Japan. This is by Sangaria, and as you can see, I guess it's made from green plums. So ume is a plum, is the Japanese word for plum. And so I guess these are like Asian plums or Japanese specific plums. A little bit different than the plums we have in America maybe. Anyway, it has less than 10% juice according to the label here. And since I got it here in Hong Kong, it has the importation sticker, which basically just says Ume soda, plum soda. Okay, so anyway, let's give it a try. This is a tiny can that I got in the Japanese supermarket. 2 for $12 Hong Kong, which is only $1.50, so it's basically 75 cents, which is actually not too small considering how tiny this can is. But anyway, let's give it a try. It's made in Japan. It mentions that here. You can still see the nationally produced mark here. Okay, so yeah, actually pretty strong plum smell. Like kind of artificial, but still plum-ish, I guess you could say. Yeah, not too bad. I'm not a big plum person, but I guess I'm not inherently against them. Okay, and lately on this channel I've been including information about the amount of sugar in these drinks I'm reviewing. So in this case, the importation sticker just lists it per serving, and the serving is 1 can. So it has 26 grams of sugar in this entire can, which is actually kind of a lot. It's a little bit hard because normally we do it by per 100 milliliters. So in that case, if I had to guess, this is, it's less than 13, but, probably like 11 or 12. And so that's not the worst, but it's definitely not any healthier than, say, a can of soda, and almost as bad as probably one of the worst things that I drink on a regular basis, which is lemon tea, which is something like 13 or 14. So anyway, keep that in mind. Just because it has, nice fruits on the label doesn't mean it's actually healthy. And as always, I want to give my final verdict. So, yeah, the taste is pretty decent. Can size obviously tiny, but yeah, it's not so bad. So I'm going to say Sangaria Ume soda from Japan, pretty decent. Okay, so that was kind of stupid. See you guys next time here on Obscure Cola. Definitely check out our other videos and consider subscribing. I've got lots of stuff coming. By the time you guys see this, it'll probably be like March because I've got so much stuff that I haven't released yet. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Not 2, not 3, but 4, count on 4 special Heritage Edition bottles from Coca-Cola. So this is a